Be a good big sister and show them how to use the tools?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it on.
Doing a good job, Gene. Sander, yeah.
Thank you.
Now Max's turn.
It's a toddler sweatshop in here.
You want to try it, Max?
Here, Max.
Want to do Sander? Sander. It's going to vibrate. Buzzer, 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 buzzer. You don't have to do it, mister. Does it scare you? Sander.
Turn.
Yeah, Sander.
Turn.
Good job, Sander.
Is that a tool, Max?
Gracie knows how to use a sander, huh?
Gracie's a good sander.
Love you, kiddo.